Hello, my name is Paola Vera. I am from Agua Azul Casanare. Welcome to Agua Azul Casanare. This is the capital of Colombia. It's located in the center of the Aegean Plains. We invite you to enjoy the beautiful landscape of the and work with it. This is the 3 days and 2 nights. To get to Agua Azul, I use the most travel with the life from Villavicencio or Sogamoso. But if you was a plane, you have to get to Yopal. This is the 3 minutes for Agua Azul. The first day and you check in hotel. You have the lunch. 3 you visit the mirador and you on the beautiful set. Second day morning you have the typical breakfast, tunjos, and then you take and the eco hill well. Afternoon you have the typical lunch and the drink you to enjoy and of Coleo. The 3 day you have the typical breakfast, hallacas in the hotel event room, the washing and the typical dance show from the plane and joropo and the far way to the thing. The first hotel, 2 options. The one, Hotel Mirador. This is located on the high. It's a half room with a jacuzzi and the looking of the town. And 2, Hotel Lago Center. This is located in the town. They have a lake with fauna of the region. The typical food of the region are the llanera meat, tunjos, hallaca, and guarap. This tour has a wide of the 450 Colombian pesos per person, including 3 breakfasts and 2 lunch and 5 nights and 2 dinners. Ticket of the activities, tour guide, transportation for the hotel and the 2 activities, and hotel stay. Does not include bebidas alcoholic drinks. Thank you.